This is a quick tutorial on how to make a quick card. This card is going to be a Thanksgiving card. To start up, I added an image here by clicking on File and Place, and then selecting the image that I wanted and clicking on Place. So after that, I just adjusted the image to fit my artboard. The next step is to add text. So I want my card to say Happy Thanksgiving. So I don't think this is the font that I want, but I had selected a really pretty font right here. I want this to be bigger, so I'm gonna click Shift and drag at the same time to make it bigger. And I think I want a drop down shadow, so I'm gonna copy paste and place just behind it. And I'm gonna make the top one white. Let's change the color to white. And there it is. Okay, so now what I want to do is I'm going to draw some hand-drawn like little flowers and leaves and stuff like that. So for that, I'm gonna use my Wacom tablet because it's so much easier to draw on it than trying to draw with a mouse. And this is not perfect, of course, but that's what makes it even prettier, I feel like, when it's not perfect, when it feels like it's been hand-drawn. And you don't have to be like huge artist to create something pretty. Okay, and there you have it. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please leave them on the comments.